Right, welcome back, and we are here with another phone. And this phone has already been diagnosed by the person who has gone ahead of me as to requiring a motherboard. I am simply providing a second set of eyes, so let's get in. So first things first is the screws are not there, so I think I've been saved of the trouble. Let's just dive right in, but just in case you need to know how to go in, having removed that back cover, it actually has a provision here into which your finger nails grip, so as to take it apart. Now let's rip that out, having removed that. So this seems or appears fine. Was this some sort of removable battery? Yes. Having done that, then the next thing is to also get between, pick that out. Now my worry is if there was an attempt at reflowing this battery. Wait, but this is a clone. Or this sticker doesn't belong here, because it says Nokia. I'm seeing a Samsung stick, or it has been used as sellotape here to cover the connector. Okay, unplug in. The connector appears sensible. Unplug that. That is for the buttons on the left. And let me get my pin, which is always attached to my multimeter. We get right there, and pull that out. Anything else, and then the board jumps out. Yeah. This one already has been reflowed. Now you can see the seal still underneath the ICs, but from when you look at this, the shielding plate was removed. That means they attempted a reflow here. But let me just go over the basics, which would be one, plugging this into power, seeing at least if I am able to receive the voltages. Are you the one with the history? Like the first time it kept quiet. So the person just said, "Very well, no, get a motherboard." Okay, at least if that given the initial history before they took it for repair, it would help. That's it. But if it's also a lady, I know I may sound like I'm misogynistic, but even me here is the real lady who was using it. Very few give you the exact history. They just tell you what they think the problem is. Like the motherboard. Like I know I want you to take me through the events around the time it died. Like, I think we need a battery. Guys, forgive me. I am not here to attack women, but they fear to feel judged. Yet you just want to get proper sequence of events so you're able to help. Now I'll put this in voltage mode. So first things is that I'm going to measure and check if I am getting the when power passes, this goes to the motherboard, goes to the charging IC. It should avail some 4 volts at the battery port. Okay, now here I'm receiving less than 4. That means typically this is unable to charge the device, which suggests we are looking at power management issues. And this should have been a power management IC, but I think they thought it's a reflow issue. And let me just plug this back in to confirm that at the pin we are getting the 5. Other times it could also be a voltage drop issue. Pin, what are you doing to me? Let me try again there and see. Getting that 3.5. but then we need to confirm that at the pin we're also getting an appropriate reading. Okay, that's 5. That means the charger is delivering the 5. Now on this end of the fiber, we need to also confirm that the 5 we are supplying on the lower side is being delivered to the main board, and the other 3 is not a result of voltage drop. Okay, so these extreme probes terminals are normally now used to transmit power, and we get the 5. Now the next thing is, let me just peel this. I think there's a writing underneath there. Also, I need to know what these test probes are for. And so I'm seeing VU, VS, DM, DP, whatever that's supposed to mean. Let's nonetheless use those test points to test. So I want to see if VU, BS is actually battery. Now these metallic points are usually the ground terminals. Let's get there. Okay, that's the voltage from the lower bus. That one arrives well. Now on this end, let's see where we're getting our 3.5. So basically this is a faulty board problem. Unfortunately, I do not have the schematics for this. So for now, let me just use empirical ways of testing, that is supply power and then fill the components for any overheating on any of them. This Nokia uses a SPEDRAM processor. Interesting, especially to do MediaTek. This is bad news here. Now guys, when you look closely here, in removing the shielding plate, now a shielding plate looks like this. It covers the components underneath and protects them from electromagnetic interference from surrounding gadgets that are emitting it. So a plate like this usually covers these ICs to protect it. Now if you look carefully, this is the main storage IC, that is the main processor IC, and the rest are support ICs, and I suspect this is the one in charge of power management because it's near where the main big inductors are located. And but that's what I was trying to show you. I wanted to show you that in removing one of the shielding plates, you can see that this part of the motherboard right here has the print circuit lines ripped off. So definitely we now have to look for an entirely new motherboard for this. Yeah, because initially, if it were only that, I would have to follow and trace which one is the charging IC and then try to replace it from donors. So anyway, I need to find out now the model number of this Nokia and then search for a motherboard and see how much it goes for. But thanks for watching this far, and if you're new on the channel, I request that you hit the subscribe button. More of these repair videos coming your way soon. See you.